Did you know that technological advances are happening so rapidly that by 2028, we may be living in a world that looks like a scene from a futuristic movie? For example, experts predict that AI could outperform humans in almost every task, and quantum computers could solve problems currently considered unsolvable. Welcome to our channel, Digital Dive. So let's take a closer look at our video, Insane Technologies That Will Change the World by 2028. These groundbreaking advancements promise to revolutionize our daily lives, redefine industries, and challenge the boundaries of ethics in ways we can't even imagine. From the way we work and communicate to the way we receive healthcare and travel, the impact of these technologies is enormous. They not only improve our capabilities, but they have the potential to transform our society, making life easier, healthier, and more connected. Let's start with artificial intelligence. AI is already transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. In healthcare, AI algorithms analyze massive amounts of medical data, enabling faster and more accurate diagnoses. For example, IBM's Watson can comb millions of medical journals and patient records to recommend treatment options tailored to each individual patient. Consider self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are at the forefront of developing self-driving technology. These vehicles use AI to interpret real-time data from the environment and make split-second decisions to navigate safely. Imagine a future where road accidents are significantly reduced and commuting becomes stress-free. Make sure to subscribe our channel. In the field of personalized medicine, AI is paving the way for treatments tailored to our unique genetic makeup. For example, companies like 23andMe are already providing insights into our DNA, which could lead to customized health plans that take our genetic makeup into account. But as we turn to AI, we must also address ethical issues. Potential bias in AI decision-making, privacy concerns, and job losses are key issues that need to be addressed. How can we ensure that AI serves humanity and not the other way around? It's a question we all need to think about. Then there's quantum computing, a realm of science fiction that's rapidly becoming reality. Unlike classical computers, which process information in bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can be in more than one state at once due to a phenomenon called superposition. This allows complex calculations to be performed at lightning speed. Imagine a quantum computer that can analyze 1 billion possible drug interactions in seconds, leading to the discovery of life-saving medicines. In cryptography, quantum computers could crack codes currently considered unbreakable, which would require a complete overhaul of security systems. This could lead to a new era of data protection and privacy. Furthermore, quantum computing could revolutionize climate modeling by enabling scientists to simulate complex climate systems and predict changes with unprecedented accuracy. This capability could help develop effective strategies to combat climate change and its effects. However, the path to quantum supremacy is not without challenges. Quantum computers require extremely low temperatures and are prone to errors. Nevertheless, they offer enormous opportunities, and companies like Google and IBM are investing heavily to overcome these hurdles. Now let's look at biotechnology, where breakthroughs are being made with gene editing techniques such as CRISPR. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to modify genetic material with incredible precision, potentially treating genetic diseases that have plagued humanity for generations. Imagine a world where diseases like Huntington's disease or muscular dystrophy could be treated at the genetic level. Researchers have already experimented with CRISPR to treat sickle cell anemia with promising results. Moreover, biotechnology could lead to improved human capabilities, such as improved resistance to diseases and enhanced physical performance. But these advances raise significant ethical dilemmas. The ability to manipulate the human genome raises questions about designer babies and the possibility of unforeseen consequences. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we must consider the moral implications of our actions. A compelling example of biotechnology's potential is the work of companies like Editas Medicine, which is developing breakthrough treatments that could cure genetic blindness. This could transform the lives of millions of people who suffer from inherited eye diseases. Next, let's talk about the Internet of Things, IoT, a technology that connects everyday devices to the internet, giving rise to smart homes, cities, and industries. Imagine your home where your refrigerator automatically orders groceries, your thermostat adjusts to your preferences, and your coffee maker starts brewing as soon as your alarm goes off. IoT can significantly improve energy efficiency. Smart meters help consumers monitor their energy consumption in real time, leading to more informed decisions about consumption. In urban planning, smart sensors can optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and even monitor air quality to create healthier living environments. In the medical sector, IoT devices enable remote monitoring of patients, allowing doctors to track vital signs and health indicators without the need for in-person visits. This can result in faster interventions and better treatment outcomes, especially for patients with chronic diseases. However, connecting devices raises significant privacy and cybersecurity concerns. In an all-connected world, data theft can expose sensitive personal information. As we integrate IoT into our lives, we need to ensure that robust security measures are in place to protect our data. Finally, let's look at some exciting advancements in space exploration technology. Companies like SpaceX are revolutionizing space travel with reusable rockets, drastically reducing the cost of getting into orbit. This innovation could pave the way for moon colonization and asteroid mining, which could in turn provide resources for future space missions. Imagine a future where space travel is a reality and ordinary people can experience the wonders of space. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are already working towards this goal. What's more, these technologies could help us search for extraterrestrial life and expand our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The role of private enterprise in this sector cannot be overstated. Your investment and innovation will drive the next wave of space exploration and make ambitious goals possible. With planned missions to Mars and beyond, humanity could take an important step towards becoming a multi-planetary species within the next decade. Consider the story of the Mars rover Perseverance, which landed on Mars in February 2021. Equipped with the latest technology, it will search for signs of prehistoric life and collect samples to later return to Earth. This mission not only represents a leap in our exploration capabilities, but also inspires a new generation of scientists and explorers. In summary, the technologies we discussed today, AI, quantum computing, biotechnology, IoT, and space exploration will transform the world by 2028. Each of these advancements has great potential to improve our lives, but also brings challenges that must be addressed. It is important that we prioritize ethical considerations and responsible innovation when adopting these innovations. We need to ensure that these technologies benefit everyone and do not exacerbate existing inequalities. The future requires our vigilance and responsibility. We encourage you to stay abreast of the latest technological developments and take advantage of them. What are you most excited about the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest technology. Until next time, dream big and keep exploring what the future can offer. The future is something we create